All right, so welcome back. I'm still working on the inside of this thing. Last time we built the fenders or floor, I don't know. And this time what I'm thinking I want to do is get some tube like this and come out to about here, across and back. And then this tube will be welded to a piece that is sheet metal that screws in here. So now to figure all that fun things out. And then that way, when I'm done, you'll basically have a platform that's this high all the way across. And then the doghouse will basically just sit right on that platform to cover the top of the engine. So I should be able to lift half the doghouse or unbolt the front and pull the doghouse out. I think. I'm still designing that in my head. First the floor, and there you go. Let's see how far I get on this one. Thank you. Let's go. right, so as you saw, I did a bunch of this. These are fully welded. That's how they're gonna look foreverness. I got this thing set in place. You saw me get these little brackets. I need to bend a piece of 16 gauge, 5 inches and 5.5 by 20.5. And then I got to figure how to blend this edge in because I don't know yet. I have no idea. But I got to blend that in, get it all sorted. But this will be the deck height. So you'll be able to step here, step there, which is about right, to get into the step. I also messed with the chair brackets. Big cricket on my head. I got the chair figured out for height, but I wanted the deck done. Then I wanted this step done. So I figure step was good. The next step is dinner, which means I'm done. So hopefully you like how it's going. If you don't like it, well, tell me how bad I suck at it, because I'll listen. Probably won't do anything different, but you can tell me. And if you do like what I'm doing, let me know that you like what I'm doing. Be like, hey, Jake, you did great on that. Hey, Jake, you suck. Whatever you want to say, let me know. I really look forward to comments and more people talking to me, because when I post these videos and I get like 4 views, I'm thankful that my mom's watching and my kids watch. But nobody's finishing them, so whatever. But no, it's super fun. I got to cut that dash out of here soon and build new dash. But there you go. Have fun with this one. Hopefully you guys stay in tune. We'll talk to you next time. Go do stuff on your car. Have fun.